Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll tell you about the testing job opportunities for experience, and we are also going to share with you the multiple job opportunities for hybrid jobs as well as for remote. But before that, let me tell you about the new program that we are going to start from tomorrow, starting 19th of March. So the program will be starting at 7 p.m. IST, and we will be connecting every day from 7 p.m. IST to 8 p.m. IST. This will be the program from Monday to Friday, and it is a mentorship that will assist you to upgrade to Playwright plus AI in next 50 days. So these days there are a lot of job openings with respect to Playwright in the market. There are a lot of job openings with respect to Playwright using scripting language in the job market, whether you see it in India or in abroad. People have started switching towards Playwright and they are using Selenium as well, but some of the projects they have started using Playwright. So it's a right time, it's a right opportunity to upgrade yourself. So I'll be putting this link in the first comment of the video. If you are having any doubts, feel free to email us at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com, or else you can go through this particular program details wherein everything is covered: UI automation, API automation, mobile automation, along with TypeScript as a programming language. Okay, you'll also get some hands-on experience on the projects, so everything is covered here. So this will be there for the 50 days, and after that will assist you with respect to the mock interviews, the resumes, the career guidance. Everything is included in this particular thing. So let me know if you are interested. You can enroll here. Now let me share a few of the job opportunities with you. So with respect to job opportunities, so there is a walk-in drive which is happening on 21st of March, that is in Chennai. And this is happening for automation testing. So experience requires 3 to 10 years. The walk-in interview details are there. Date is 21st of March. It is Saturday. Location is Chennai itself. So if you are interested, you can apply with your updated CV to this particular email address. And these are the details required: name, contact number, email ID, qualification, total and relevant experience, right? Current organization and experience, preferred location, notice period, LWD, current and expected CTC is there, employment type, career education gap, experience with TCS earlier, updated CV. So all of these things are required, and these are the skill set that they are looking for. Then there's a requirement for SDET and senior SDET. So the role is for SDET 3 to 5 years and senior SDET 5 to 8 years. So you can apply for these roles. The skill set that they are looking is for Playwright with TypeScript or JavaScript, web testing and automation, API testing, right? So you can send your resume to this email address itself. Apart from this, there are further more job opportunities. So let me share those details with you. Okay. So there is a part-time as well as full-time job opportunity. So part-time is on-site for experienced professionals, somebody who is flexible for 4.5 hours per day. So this location is for Ahmedabad, and the name of the company is Encode Technologies. They are hiring for QA tester full-time, 1 to 2 years, and QA tester part-time or on-site experienced professionals, right? So you can send CV at this particular email address. Then there's a hiring happening with respect to the QA. Again, it's a night shift job: senior DevOps engineer, senior .NET full stack developer, QA, lead software engineer, lead QA. Experience required is 7+ years, and this is the email address wherein you have to apply, and you have to share your CV at this particular number. Then there is a requirement for automation test engineer, and the required skill set is WebDriver, Playwright, JavaScript, Git, GitLab, Jenkins, Agile, Docker. So good to have is TypeScript, API testing. Location is Kochi, Kerala. Experience required is 3+ years. Job type would be full time, and you can drop your resume to this particular email address. Okay. Then there's a requirement with respect to Honeywell company, and this is for the Bangalore-based location. So they are looking for someone who can perform testing, who can perform automation. And here they are looking for multiple testing engineers. So one is automation test engineer two, one is software engineer two. So the skill set that you can see: automation test engineer, automation API testing using Python, and in software engineering two, they are looking for again automation API testing, Python and Selenium. So the job opportunities are there in Bangalore as well as in Hyderabad. So you can send your details to this particular email address. Okay, then there's a walk-in drive happening with Virtue Viz Consulting Private Limited, and the date is 21st of March. It is a Saturday, upcoming weekend. So the timings for the QA for the walk-in interview would be 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. So you have to scan this particular code to get the location details, and here is the location also provided. So all of these details you have to share. Okay. So then there is an opportunity with Cybrox company. They are looking for quality assurance tester. Experience required is 3 to 5 years. Notice period is immediate. A joiner. Skill set is manual and automation testing. They are looking for test case design, execution, bug tracking tools. The location is Chennai. You can submit your CV at this particular email address itself. Right. So these are a few of the job opportunities with respect to testing. We shared with you the walk-in drives. We also shared with you the automation testing jobs with respect to Playwright, with respect to Selenium, part-time jobs, full-time jobs. So feel free to apply for these jobs today itself. And don't forget to hit like and share this video among the maximum people so that it reaches to the maximum candidates who are looking for the job these days, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.